Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do a short book review, um, and the book is it's called Turn Photoshop, Gimp, Illustrator, and Affinity Designer into Cash, and it's by Kevin Maguire. Now I think it's very appropriate for this channel actually, especially how we've been discussing how to monetize some of your own designs. This book is perfect for that. It really is. So you're in for a real treat today. Now, this is an ebook available on Kevin Maguire's website. It's about 30 pages, so it's a short read. Okay, it's nothing too heavy. And also he goes into a few design softwares, so there really is something for everyone. Okay, there's no reason to not do it, as it were. There's quite a bit of focus in his book about merch by Amazon, and he offers quite a few hacks and tips on how to sell more shirts and tier up, which is the merch by Amazon's sort of system where when you first start they only allow you to have 10 designs, and then the next tier is 25, I believe, where you can only have 25 until you sell enough, and then they'll tier you up to the next level and so on. So Kevin discusses a bit in detail about that, and also how merch by Amazon buyers are not they're not looking for the cheapest necessarily. So pricing is discussed, and just just a quick tip here: just because it's cheap, it doesn't mean it's going to sell. That was my big takeaway from that. So if you believe you've got a great design, definitely don't cheap out on pricing it too low. Okay. I've got a few other notes here that I wanted to mention. If you don't know what merch by Amazon is, it's Amazon's print-on-demand platform for shirts, all sorts of shirts. We've discussed that in a few videos. They also do pop sockets and also, I believe, phone cases now, so you can check that out. In this book specifically, Kevin also talks about niche research, so how to find products or shirts that are already selling well, and also he goes into some tools that he uses for research, and especially the trademark check that is critical, because you do not want to get pulled up for a trademark or copyright violation. Okay. Finally, he goes through a couple of designs just to show you, how you can improve on something basic. And like I say, there really is no reason not to not to get started with this. You can use one of many softwares, some of which I discuss on my channel, but Kevin also alludes in his book. And finally, whatever you design, you can actually turn into cash by selling the designs even on stock photo sites, which is new to me. So I'll be checking that out once I get more comfortable with my designs. So definitely try and get Kevin's book, Turn Photoshop, Gimp, Illustrator, and Affinity Designer into Cash. Lots of great information in here. Fully encourage you to go and check that out. I just wanted to quickly show you Kevin's website. So it's kevinbarrymaguire.com, kevinbarrymaguire.com, and he's obviously done other things as well. So things like writing books and all sorts of stuff. This book here is on Amazon. You can check that out later if you want, and these books, if you wanted to check those out, feel free. This is the one I'm talking about. Get this book free. How to turn Photoshop, Illustrator, Gimp, and Affinity Designer into cash. And it really is free. You just go onto the website, click on it, it pops up into a new tab. Let's just let that load up. But basically, it'll download the free ebook. Okay, so that's on his author website. Let's close that tab. We don't need that. And if you wanted to find out a bit more about Kevin, just click on the over here. Click on About Me. Close that. I'm not sure what happened here. And he's got a bit about him. He used to be in the Navy, so that was interesting. I didn't know that. And I would strongly encourage anyone to join his Facebook group. He's active in there. So if you got any questions, he's actually actively answering questions. So if you click on that link, it brings you to this page, and you need to answer some questions when you click on Join Group. So he has tried other things. So he talks about affiliate marketing, email marketing, self-publishing, which he's obviously written some books himself, freelance work, and so much more. So check out his stuff. I'll include some links below. But till next time, I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely go and get Kevin's free ebook because it's packed with great information. Okay, that'll do it for today's book review. Have a great day, everyone.